Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to RevenueCat for Apple and Google subscriptions, detailed guide step by step clearly. Look for the Get Started button on the home page. Click on it to initiate the sign-up process. You will be prompted to create an account. Fill in your email address and create a secure password. Once you have completed this, click on Sign Up. After signing up, check your email for a verification link from RevenueCat. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Now, return to the RevenueCat dashboard. Select the option to create a new project. Fill in the required fields such as project name and platform. Choose between iOS 4 Apple subscriptions or Android 4 Google subscriptions. Once you've made your selection, click on Create Project. After creating the project, you will be directed to the project settings page. Here, take note of your public API key displayed on the screen. This API key is essential for integrating RevenueCat into your app. Next, you will need to configure your in-app purchases on either the App Store Connect or Google Play Console. For Apple, log into your App Store Connect account. Navigate to My Apps and select your app. Go to the In-App Purchases section to create a new subscription. Provide all the necessary details such as pricing and subscription duration. Save your changes and make sure to submit your app for review if required. For Google, log into your Google Play Console. Select your app and go to the Monetize section. Create a new subscription by entering required information. Save your changes and ensure your app is ready for publishing. Return to your RevenueCat project settings. In the Products tab, link your in-app purchases by filling in the product identifiers. Double-check to ensure accuracy for both platforms. Once all details are entered, click on Save. Now, integrate RevenueCat's SDK into your application. Follow the official RevenueCat documentation for setting up the SDK based on your platform. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.